Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make changes, commit them, and publish them, push them to the repository in Visual Studio Code. So here I have a file that's already been created and it's already in Git. And I'm going to make changes to it. Let me give it a title, my Git example, and the classic hello world. Once I've made my changes and saved them, I can go over to the Git section and I can see here that it shows under changes my index.html file. I can click on that and I can confirm that these are the changes that I made. Now I am ready to commit. There are a couple of ways to do that. One, regardless of which way you do it, you should always include a message. My commit example. And either I can pick the plus sign here to say this is one of the files that I want to commit, or I actually don't have to do that. If I want to do all my files, I can just go ahead and click on the commit check mark and it will ask me, there are no stage changes. Staging is what happens when you click on the plus sign. So we didn't specify which files we want to commit. So it's asking if you automatically want to commit all the changes, which I'm going to pick yes. You also, if that's the way you always want to do it, you can always choose always and it won't ask you this question again. But in this case, I'm going to pick yes. And as you can see, it's done. It's been committed. Now, it's been committed to your local copy of Git. It has not been pushed over to the wherever you're actually hosting your Git, if you're hosting it somewhere. So what you want to do to actually push it, to take the changes that you've committed to your Git, local Git, and push them to the remote Git, which usually where you have it hosted, you want to go to the three dots over here and pick push, which is right here. There. So now my changes should be pushed and now they are in the actual remote Git repository. Keep in mind that only pushes whatever you've already committed. So if we had changes, for example, if I, let me close this comparison and say another line and save it. You can see here with this dot that it means that it has changes that haven't been saved. So I'm going to do Control S to save it. So now I have those changes. You see now it shows up here under changes in the Git section. If I do push from here, it will push whatever other commits you might have made before, but it will not push the changes for this file because it only pushes what's been committed. So if I wanted to go through that process again, I would add here another note and again click the check mark. It will ask me, because I have nothing specifically staged, it will ask me, would you like to automatically stage all your changes? I'm going to pick yes. Done. Now, if I choose push, it will actually push that change onto the remote Git server. Okay, that's it. Thank you.